he's back. Caleb, where's the eagle? Can you point to the bird? Oh. Sweetie, can you point to the bird? Where's the bird? Yeah, there's the bird. Hey, where's the bird's babies? Are there babies? Yeah, isn't that beautiful? And that's a bird. Thank you. It's an eagle. Okay, he's like a little sleepy. Bye, Caleb. I'm going to turn off the camera.